In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how students can find their camera on their Chromebook, how to either take a photo or a video with their camera, and how to locate that file on their Chromebook and transfer it to their Google Drive. In order to find the camera, you're going to go down to the app launcher and look for camera if it is not listed. Once you have typed in camera, press enter to search and it will pull up the camera. If it does not automatically open, be sure that you click on the actual app. Once the camera has opened, you have some different features very similar to other camera app programs. You can video, do photos, or you can do it in a square. If you are going to do video, please make sure that your microphone is not muted if you want sound. When you get ready to record, simply hit the red button and the recording will start. When you're finished, hit stop recording and it will automatically save to your My Files download folder on the Chromebook. In order to find this on the Chromebook, you go back to the launcher. You will look for Files or My Files. There it is. You're going to double click on it to open it up, and here are your files. Now, this is a kind of a background look at your Google Drive, but it gives you some other options as well, which are not accessible on your Google Drive. You are looking for My Files and Downloads. When I click on Downloads, I come back over here, and here are my files that I've created with my camera. In order to get these to my drive, I simply take it and I drag it to the My Drive option or to whatever folder I want to put it on. Once it's in your drive, then you can manipulate it to use it for other things, and you can also upload it to Google Classroom.